siguro para sa iba. Pero para sa'yo, malaking panalo na yon. And wag mong hayaan na yung ibang tao yung magdikta kung alin yung big win ng buhay mo o ng araw mo. Wag mong hayaan na may ibang pumigil sa'yo para i-celebrate yung mga small wins mo. Yan man ay labada, yan man ay natapos na task sa trabaho, yan man ay nakapag-alaga ka ng iyong anak, apo, o yan man ay yung simpleng pag-attend mo ng klase. Kahit na parang part na yun ng regular o pang araw-araw mong ginagawa, still, it can be a win. At magpasalamat pa rin tayo kay Lord. Dahil everyday, binibigyan niya tayo ng lakas para lahat ng mga bagay na gusto nating gawin at yung mga bagay na pinapagawa niya sa atin, nandun lagi yung provision niya ng strength para magawa natin yun, para makayanan natin lahat. What's my small win today? Well, to be honest, nag-start ako ng linggo ko na merong nararamdamang pagod, no. Yung parang medyo fed up, parang ganun. Meron ding nararamdamang takot. Maraming worries sa napakaraming bagay. Pero yung maiko-consider kong quiet victory ko, katulad nyo, I chose to show up today. Show up lang ng show up. Show up kahit takot ka, kahit pagod ka, kahit naiinis ka. Just show up. Yun talaga yung maituturing nating panalo tayo. Yung sa kabila ng mga silent battles natin, sa kabila ng mga inaalala natin, we continue showing up. And at the end of each day, hindi naman nasusukat sa dami ng likes o palakpak o praises o achievements, yung halaga natin as a person. Yung simpleng pagbangon mo, kahit na mabigat yung pakiramdam mo, yung pagharap mo at pagyakap mo ng mga responsibilities mo, kahit na pagod ka, kahit na takot ka, at yung pagpili mo na magpatuloy sa buhay, kahit na minsan sobrang pagod ka na. Kung nandun man yung kaba, kung nandun man yung mga negative na feeling sa araw na to, pero ginawa mo pa rin ang makakaya mo. Binigay mo pa rin yung best mo. Winner ka ngayong Lunes, best friend. And be proud of yourself for making it through this day. And just like today, kakayanin mo pa rin ang mga susunod pang araw. Basta wag lang tayong makakalimot na humingi ng guidance mula kay Lord. Kapag kailangan natin ng help mula sa ibang tao, huwag tayong mahiyang humingi ng tulong sa kanila. Maraming pinapadalang angel si Lord sa atin. Kaya yes, show up lang tayo, best friend. And let's continue counting our wins every single day. Kahit na walang makapansin, kahit walang pumalakpak, kahit ikaw at si Lord lang ang nakakaalam, celebrate your wins, no matter how big or small those things are. Okay, so again, maraming salamat. Will be our last song. Siguro ang perfect nating last song, syempre para magbigay naman ng hope sa atin. In spite of this heavy feeling kapag ganitong umuulan, aminin natin yan, may ganong kakaibang feeling, no? Pero nandyan pa rin naman ang haring araw. Hindi naman dahil hindi natin siya nakikita, wala na siya. Ganon din si Lord. Hindi ibig sabihin na silent siya. Iniwan na niya tayo. Hinding-hindi niya tayo iiwan at hinding-hindi na tayo pababayaan. So, show up and smile. Yes, our last song is a rendition of Ai Sigera, a song called With a Smile. Muli tayo magkakarinig ng mga best friends on Wednesday for another episode of Take It Light and Easy. At syempre, ang laging paalala ng inyong Ate Sky, anuman ang pinagdaraanan mo sa buhay, alam ni Lord na kaya mo, kaya sa'yo ibinigay. So take it light and take it easy. Ako po ang inyong Ate Sky saying good night. God bless and keep the music playing in your heart.
Your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try. And baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. And when they're closing all their doors and they don't want you anymore, this sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day. I'll get by if you smile. You can never be too happy in this life. 'Cause in a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a what love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down or turn your face into a frown. You'll get along with a little prayer and a song. Oh. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a what love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down or turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those tears. goodbye.
Prayer for Archbishop Gilbert Carasara. Lord Jesus Christ, our guide and shepherd,